Granola. Granola. Let me try that one more time. Welcome to In the Kitchen with Bite Me More. And today we are making the ultimate granola. This granola, Lisa has taken the butter and replaced it with heart-healthy olive oil, added high fiber chia seeds and oats, protein-packed pumpkin seeds, cashews and pecans, and we have maple syrup and honey to act as natural sweeteners. So let's not waste another moment.
Let's get mixing because this is a super fast granola. So to start with, preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit.
Am I in charge of stirring?
You are. I'm giving you a big roll today.
I've got a job.
3 cups of old-fashioned oats.
Old-fashioned oats, Mama.
We have half a cup of chopped pecans and half a cup of chopped cashews.
Dump them in.
Dumping them in. We have half a cup of unsweetened coconut and a quarter cup
of those protein-packed pumpkin seeds, aka pepitas.
And you can see how fast this is, like everything just gets mixed in.
It's sort of like no excuse for not making this.
We have a quarter cup of chia seeds and we have a quarter cup of crystallized ginger.
Which adds like a great sweet and spicy bite.
It's a great bite. We're gonna add the spices. We have 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of ground ginger.
This is sounding sweet and spicy. Now I mix?
You can mix that up, and while you're doing that, in another small bowl, I'm going to whisk together 1/3 of a cup of olive oil.
There's that butter replacement, heart healthy.
1/4 of a cup of maple syrup, and 3 tablespoons of honey.
Look how gorgeous this looks.
So we're gonna whisk this up. We're gonna add the wet ingredients to the dry.
Mix it up.
Mix it up. And this is gonna go onto our silicone-lined baking sheet. So you're just gonna spread it out into an even layer. It's gonna bake at 300 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. So you're gonna give it a stir, bake it another 18 to 20 minutes, and then don't stir it. Let it cool like this, and you will get a nice chunky granola. Are you happy?
It's so delicious.
I like to make her happy.